So by 2020, we are expecting the economy to boom. What do you think that what is the small and medium enterprises? What are their role now with FDI coming in, Walmart coming in? What do you think? Will that employ a lot of people, or will it, snatch away medium and small enterprises from the economy?
No, I find the micro, small and medium enterprises sector, which is already contributing more than 12% to the Indian economy, is going to grow further, irrespective of whether FDI in retail is allowed or not. So having said that, when the FDI in retail is allowed, naturally the multinationals, retail stores, chain stores are going to come in India, invest in infrastructure, back-end infrastructure, and also engage people, young people, particularly in their stores, departmental stores. So to that extent, the employment is going to increase. So I don't think that micro and small enterprises are going to go down by the inflow of the retail chains from the foreign countries. And on the other hand, I feel that micro and small enterprises will have an outlet, that once the departmental stores come up all over the country by these big, they are going to find space there to market their products, because ultimately whose products are going to be marketed in these retail stores? They need products.
Yes.
The products means the consumer products, mostly consumer products, which are of daily use, and all these daily use products are being manufactured by the micro and small enterprises.
As you said that Walmart will come, yes, it will provide employment to everyone, and that will raise the employment bar. But will it not restrict people to only be employees and not start up their own business and rather be employers in that respect?
See, we have a very big gap as far as the demand for employment is concerned and the availability of opportunities is concerned. There is a huge, unemployed population waiting
Yes.
to either get employed or to have some other engagement. Otherwise, they will remain unemployed. Whatever employment will get generated because of these additional investments in the retail or in the industrial factories, big factories, small factories, after engaging all these occupations by the unemployed people, there is still going to be a large chunk of people remaining unemployed. Were established in the year 1955 with the mandate that we will promote micro and small enterprises in the country. Now medium also has been included after the passing of the MSME Development Act.
What is your aim for being at the trade fair?
One of the areas where NSIC is working is providing marketing support to these small industries and helping the new entrepreneurship development by exposing them to the new technologies that have been developed in the country, which can help them in starting the new small enterprises. So the aim of the TechMart is to bring out micro and small technologies, machines, projects, and exhibit them here, which can attract people to see that how easy it is to set up their own micro and small enterprise, small industry.
One of your team members told us that, they can even be set up in a backyard.
Yes.
So that is how it works. It's a techno mart. That's what. And sir, I also wanted to ask you, like, students come from other developing countries to India and you train them. So what is the future with in regard to other developing countries? What are your initiatives and what are you seeing in future to do with other developing countries?
See, the problem of unemployment is similar in developing countries, whether they are in Africa or CIS or Latin America or India. In fact, there is a need for addressing this unemployment problem in all these countries. So what we do in our country, the same is applicable for the other countries also, in a way that we help our students in building entrepreneurship and showing them a long list of projects which they can start with small money and with less investments and space, with least efforts. The same formula and the same model we provide to the students of the developing countries also. It is not only the transfer of technology and the equipment and the machines to them, but it's transfer of complete package which can generate, employment, and which can help them in setting up thousands and thousands of micro enterprises.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us.